welcome to this evening's Equity Market Trap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. Today markets finally corrected, and this was more or less in line with what global markets are doing after there's quite a lot of confusion post the US Federal Reserve Chairman's speech, and also the expectation that interest rates in the US may go up in the next few months itself. However, our markets did not correct as much as global markets, and nevertheless, they are off their closing highs, which we saw last week. Today, the Sensex finished at 21,740, and the Nifty closed at around 6,483. If you look at the broader markets, it's the mid caps and the small caps which held up rather than the large caps, which actually corrected. The rate sensitives and high beta names are the ones which corrected the most. The BSE Realty Index was down around 2.3%, the capital goods index was down nearly 2%, and BankX was down around 1.4% today. On the other hand, IT stocks saw some buying, so that index was up around 1.7%. Coming to individual stocks, financial technologies has been in the news as SEBI has said that the company needs to divest its shareholding in the various exchanges that it owns. That stock was a bit volatile through the day and finally ended pretty much flat. MCX, which is an exchange owned by financial technologies, gained at the start of trade, but finally that stock also finished pretty much flat. Also in the news is IDBI Bank, which raised around $300 million through overseas bonds. That stock, however, was down around 2%. Oil marketing companies were also in the spotlight as the financial year is coming to an end, and there are fears of some under recoveries for those companies. Crude oil has been trading at a level of around $100 to $110 per barrel over the last few months, and that could be the cause of concern. Today, BPCL was down around 3.75%, HPCL was down around 2%, IOC was down around 3% as well. Coming back to the Sensex names, it was IT and FMCG at the top. TCS was the biggest gainer, up around 3.2%. HUL gained around 2%, and Wipro was up around 1%. On the other hand, on the declining side, stocks which have rallied in the last few days saw some profit bookings. So BHEL and GAIL were the biggest losers, down around 2.7%. That's all from me. Do log on to livemin.com for more details. Thank you.